Hi guys and welcome to Soulpumpfitness. Today I would love to share with you a few exercises we're doing with the foam rolling that help us with our posture. Gravity always dropping us down, so we have to resist and stand tall. And if our spine is open and elongate and strong, all the vertebra and the disc of the spine have much more space to do their job. Let's go.
For your first stretch, place the foam roller on the floor. Sit with your butt at one end and your head supported at the other. Your palms will face the sky and imagine like you're in the snow doing snow angels, running the backs of your hands along the floor, down by your hips, up by your ears. If your hands cannot touch the floor, that's perfectly fine. Just allowing gravity to pull you in that direction and working towards touching the floor. Keep your arms straight as you guide them overhead and back down by your hips, creating a big chest stretch. For exercise 2, place the foam roller at the bottom ribs and support your head. Roll the foam roller to your middle upper back and open up your chest. Draw the elbows in towards your chest so your shoulders can create space in the back, and then reverse going the opposite way. Your hips can be on the floor or they can be elevated depending on how you feel comfortable. This is a nice back bend while opening and closing your chest to create that new mobility and space. Movement 3. Going back onto the foam roller for our final stretch in today's video. Open up your palms facing the sky and let gravity do its thing, pulling your chest open. You can slide your legs to a full position, resting on your heels, or you can bend your knees if it's more comfortable for your back. For more videos, follow us on our website. We hope you enjoyed this class. See you soon.